Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Yamaha Vino Sport. So this is the two-stroke variation of the Yamaha Vino we have up for sale. It's the other one is in a white and blue colour, which is a newer model, 2008. This one is a 1998 model, so it's two-stroke. They're very rare, and we've only ever had one in. They are exceptionally quick, a really quick bike, plenty of power for a little 50, and this one only has 5,000 kilometers on it as well, and I think the colour of red and white is really nice too. So as usual, we'll go from front to rear on condition of the bike and then come back for an overview at the end. Front tyre is perfect and in no need of change anytime soon. Some small scuffs on the front mudguard here. Main section body of the bike itself is clean enough with some minor marks up here. We have scuffs going along down the right hand side of the bike on the outer edge, and the same can be said for minor scratches on the footrests. Some marks here on the rear of the bike, and then onto the on the right hand side rear panel. The rear of the bike, it's a 1998, like I said, with no marks here. Original Yamaha seat with no signs of wear or tear in it. Left hand side of the bike now we have one minor mark here. Kickstart and electric start with some marks on the footrests, and same going up along the edges on the front. Yamaha Vino Sport, as I said as well. Then finally, only 5,548 kilometers since 1998. I'll start it up for you as well. I think you probably nearly even hear the power. I'll hold on to the main stand here. Nice fuel gauge also. So this is something, actually I might show you underneath the seat as well. Hold on. There we go. Oh yes, it has the original Yamaha books, service books and manuals and safety guides with it also. So very nice condition in here. So if you're looking for a little commuter that's quicker, a little bit different and unique, this is the bike for you, and it will be for sale on our Facebook page and our Done Deal page at Retro Bikes Dublin.